Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss and solve the new problem of so far latest Android Studio 4.1 that is commonly occurring these days. But before we proceed our video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos on Android development. Let's move to our main topic. So the problem is when we start our Android Studio, then Android Studio refuses to start and you get this error prompt saying missing essential plugin org.jetbrains.android, please reinstall Android Studio from scratch. And if I click OK, then Android Studio crashes. And that was our problem, that Android Studio is not getting started. So two things about this issue. If you are having this error message, then it doesn't mean that you have made a mistake in Android Studio project or its settings. And second point is you even don't need to uninstall or reinstall the Android Studio at all, as it is saying in this error message, please reinstall Android Studio from scratch. Now let's talk about its solution. Simply close this, go to this PC, your C drive, and here user, then your name folder or a folder named after your name, AppData, roaming, Google, Android Studio 4.1 folder. And this file is the reason why our Android Studio is crashing. Disable plugins.txt. Simply delete this file and that's it. Now close this and here again start your Android Studio and that's it. Now you can see our Android Studio is running perfectly. You can open any of your project and that's it. And that was our problem and its solution. Hope you have learned and solved your problem. And if you still facing any problem, then do let me know in the comment section. I will root it out. Meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.